The Olympic Games may be close, but the celebration doesn't have to stop. And today I've got quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious snack that's as vibrant as the Olympic rings, and it only takes 3 minutes to make. Did you know that the colors of the Olympic rings were chosen because every nation's flag in the world contained at least one of them? Each of these vibrant colors symbolized unity, and the coming together of athletes from around the globe. Inspired by the colors and spirits of the Olympics, I wanted to create something unique to close out the games in style. These Olympics bowls are packed with flavors, easy to make, and perfect for enjoying while you're watching the final events. Or anytime you need a quick, healthy snack while traveling. With just a few ingredients and a couple of minutes, you can whip up this vibrant treat. Explore some of my other delicious recipes and recent travel adventures. If you enjoy this, be sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering ideas and travel inspiration.